If you're planning for EB-2 NIW, one of the biggest questions you probably have is how long does the whole process actually take? So today, I want to walk you through my real timeline step by step so you can understand what it looks like in practice. Let me start from the beginning. This journey didn't start when I filed my petition. It actually started much earlier. Back in my bachelor's, around 2016, I made a conscious decision to focus on research in my field, soil science. I didn't know everything about EB-2 NIW at that time, but I was building the foundation, working on research, gaining experience, and developing a clear direction. So, in reality, your timeline starts the moment you begin building your profile. Now, if we talk specifically about the application phase, it took me around 6 months to prepare everything. And this is an important stage. I worked on my petition letter, gathered all supporting documents, organized evidence, and made sure everything was presented clearly and strategically. This part requires focus and patience, because how you present your case is just as important as what you have done. Of course, this timeline can vary. Some people may take less time if they are already prepared, while others may need more time depending on their profile. But on average, you can expect a few months of solid preparation. Once everything was ready, I submitted my petition. Now comes the processing stage. If you choose regular processing, it can take a long time, sometimes up to 24 months. But I chose premium processing, which is much faster. USCIS gives a target of around 45 business days. In my case, I received my approval in just 35 business days. That moment was incredibly exciting because it was the result of years of effort combined with a well-prepared application. So if I summarize the timeline for you, it's not just about the months after submission. It's about years of preparation, followed by a few months of focused documentation, and then the processing time depending on your choice. My advice is simple: don't rush the process. Focus on building a strong foundation first, then prepare your documents carefully and choose the processing option that fits your situation. I'll be sharing more detailed breakdowns, like exactly what documents I prepared, how I structured my petition, and what worked for me. So stay connected if you want to learn this process step by step. And remember, success in EB-2 NIW is not just about speed, it's about preparation, strategy, and timing.